Hi viewers, our topic is today the bamboo crafts. You are watching the bamboo chair. Now you are watching the bamboo frame. You are watching the bamboo night lamp. Beautiful design. You are watching the wall paneling, different design of bamboos. You are watching now a shelf of bamboos. You are watching a stool made by bamboos. You are watching now the cup of tea made by bamboos. You are watching a holder, different things you can hold. You are watching the table lamp. You are watching the garden lamp made by bamboos. Different. You are watching the bird house. Beautiful design, simple and easy. You are watching night lamp made by bamboos. Beautiful idea. You are watching the uh, tube light, the bamboo craft using. You are watching the baskets, two baskets, bamboo craft used. You are watching the painting stand, canvas stand. You are watching the wind chime, different pieces of bamboos. You are watching the uh, plant pot, flower pot. You are watching the bird house, beautiful design. You are watching the night lamp, a unique idea, beautiful. You are watching a design of the sun made by bamboos. You are watching another design made by bamboos cut piece. You are watching the ship made by bamboos. You are watching a wind chime, door hanging, wall hanging. You are watching the a hut, and you are watching a water channel made by bamboos and flower. You are watching a flower pot, plant pot. You are watching the and plant idea made by bamboos. You are watching the candles, three candles made with the bamboos. You are watching the cutlery organizer. You can organize different things. You are watching a vehicle made by bamboos.